everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for when you get old. Alright, I'm so excited. My Allure box has arrived. Alright, so if you're unaware, Allure is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size, and the other 3 will be travel or sample sizes. Every blue moon, we get the opportunity to select a certain shade, and OMG, we have a really nice product in this month's box that we got to select our own shade, and it's actually a makeup product from Charlotte Tilbury. Alright, in the box each month, it does come with a little booklet which will have the full-size prices of the items as well as information about the products shared by the editors of Allure. Alright, I have not seen spoilers. The only thing I know that came in this box was the item we got to choose. So this first item, ooh, I just quickly saw Grande Lash. Please don't be a mascara. Yes, it's a lash serum. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, I'm wearing a lot of mascara, but I use lash serums, and let me tell you, they really do work. You have to apply it every single day for at least 3 to 4 weeks, and then you will just like, bam, your eyelashes will be super, super long. Yay! This is an awesome product, and it's full size. Okay, this next product is teeny tiny, interesting packaging. I've never seen them use like cardboard with plastic wrap over a little thing. What are you? Let me grab my friend in case it's something I'm not going to use. I'll just keep it in this plastic. Alright, KÉRASTASE Paris. Soin, Acide, some kind of, hold on. I forgot for a second. There's a booklet. Let's see what the booklet has to say. I don't like looking at the booklet if I don't have to, because, you know, you get spoilers. Alright, here we go. I don't know how to say this. This is the Kerastase Soin Acide Chroma Gloss. Okay, it's as expected. I was kind of guessing it's some kind of a hair product. So it says, this in-shower at-home gloss can extend your hair color. It's like popping into a salon when your hair looks dull. Okay, I think I'll hang on to it. I do color my hair myself, but this product is $58 for 210 ml, and we have a 15 ml sample. Oh, I forgot to mention how much the Grande Lash costs. Holy cow, the Grande Lash is $68. This box, only looking at 2 products and then knowing what I picked, is already really good. Alright, next item. What are you? This here is by Rosie Jane. Oh, is this going to be a perfume sample? It's called Missy, whatever this is. Yes, okay, so we have a perfume. Are you going to be spritzer or rollerball? Rollerball. And I'm already wearing some perfume, so let's see if I put it on top of my hand, what I can smell. Oh, I wasn't expecting to like it, but I do. It's very fruity, citrusy, sweet. Let me read what the fragrance notes are. The editors say this is a summery blend of mandarin and coconut and is reminiscent of a warm, relaxing day at the beach. If I can find it, I'm going to pop on screen the actual notes. It retails for $45 for 7 milliliters. And guess what? This is full size. This is 7 milliliters and is $45. Why are perfumes so expensive? Oh my goodness. Alright, what else came in this box? What is this? Okay, so we have something from FRUDIA. Don't know what this is. Okay, so it's the FRUDIA Green Grape Pore Control Cream. The packaging, even through this little box, looks adorable. It looks almost like a Winnie the Pooh pot, except for it's green, but it has that white that kind of drips down. Super adorable. Let me read what the little booklet says, because pore control. I have dry skin and don't have issues with my pores. So let's see. This is intended for people with maybe oily or acne prone skin. I don't know. Okay, so this says this is a unique K-Beauty Sherbet moisturizer that turns watery and cools as you rub it in. That sounds fantastic. It says it creates a barrier over your usual serum to help seal in moisture. I'm not sure why it says pore control cream, but considering it's not acne related like I originally thought, yes. The full size of the FRUDIA cream is $24 for 1.94 ounces. That's a very good price in case I fall in love with it. All right, what is this next product here? So this here is the Balm Moisturizing Lip Balm, which retails for $5.99. I assume this will be full size, but I'm fine with it because it's a lip moisturizer. All right, and this last product, I saved it for last. This here is from Charlotte Tilbury. Look at it in all its glory. Sorry for the shine there. This here is the Beautiful Skin Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer. This retails for $58. Might I remind you that this box from Allure is $25? That is crazy. I was able to select my own shade. I picked up one fair, which in hindsight, I probably should have picked up the medium shade because I actually already own this product. So let me open the one that I actually own and share with you how gorgeous not only the packaging is. I mean, take a look at this. It's huge, by the way. This is this plastic? It's one of those really nice plastics that feels like it could be metal, but it's plastic. But look, it comes with a ginormous mirror. And would you look at that pan size? That is huge and will last a lifetime. It is a gorgeous shade as well. This, by the way, is a cream bronzer. It's just so beautiful. I'm wearing something else today because I filmed a video before this unboxing, but I'll put together a video using all of the products I get in beauty subscription boxes from the month of April. So make sure you click the bell notification and subscribe so you can be aware of those videos. All right, let's recap everything that came in the April 2024 Allure Beauty Box. We got a sample of the FRUDIA Green Grape Pore Control Cream, the by Rosie Jane Missy Perfume Oil, the Bag Balm Moisturizing Lip Balm, the Grande Cosmetics MD Lash Enhancing Serum, a sample of the KÉRASTASE Soin Acide Chroma Gloss, and the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow! Okay, I'm going to keep talking about it. To get a 53, or was it 58? $58 makeup product from Charlotte Tilbury in a $25 beauty subscription box. Mind is blown. What really surprised me, because I was aware of the Charlotte Tilbury, and let me remind you, I got to select my shade, is the Lash Serum from Grande Cosmetics. This retails for $68. What? You have a $58 and then a $68 lash serum in the same box? Oh, it gets better. And then there are 4 more products? What? Now, I can see if you don't use lash serums, you might have been disappointed. Kind of like when I get hair serums, I don't use that. But I do use lash serum, so this made me super, super happy. Is this only a $6 product? Yes. But is it a product I will actually use? You bet. This perfume, it's just not my jam. It smells nice. I mean, the note said what? A mandarin and coconut. I'm not picking up either of those, but I'm getting a general, there's some kind of floral, some kind of fruit, something. It smells nice. It's just not maybe jiving with my chemistry. It's not bad at all. It's just not something I would reach for. But still, to get a full-size perfume in a box, again, on top of those other products, hello, why aren't you signed up yet? The hair gloss, I'm not a hair person, but it is for colored hair, and it is super tiny. A lot of you probably would get 1 use. I'll probably get 3 uses out of it because my hair is so short. So actually, I'm not mad at that product. And this one here from FRUDIA has the most adorable, cute packaging ever. All right, so to me, I think this is the best Allure beauty box I've ever received. Or at least it's really up there. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. It's going to be close to $200, if not over. Yeah. So if you're thinking about subscribing, down in my description box, I do have a friend code, which will give you a $10 discount, and it will give me a $10, I don't know, discount code in their store. Don't feel obligated to use it, but use somebody's code if you're interested in signing up so that you can get a $10 discount if you decide to subscribe. All right, now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the box this month? Would you have been as excited as I am to get that Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer? And keep in mind, I already own it, and yet I am still excited to get it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.